good, YouTube? So today we're gonna be doing a mod on the Explorer ST. So if you know or you have one of these, I didn't mean to start it. So if you have one of these, you know that our CarPlay is not a full screen. That's the thing everyone dislikes, is that it's a half screen when you're connected to Google CarPlay or even Apple CarPlay. So I went on the forum and I found this guy who sells these USB kits. I just received mine today, and I believe they're in order, so red, blue, green, yellow, and we're gonna try and do the update on this. So hopefully it all works out. So if you open this up, you have a USB port here. So let's try this. We'll get our red one. Then I believe it's power and this one. So here we removed it. Before it shut down, I saw it said failed. So I'm not sure what that's all about. We'll keep going. We'll get our number 2, which is our blue one. Put our number 2 on there. Let me take it out and then put it back in. See if it reads. Oh. D1 has been installed. Please remove number 2. It's rebooting right now. We got our green one on there, number 3. Just let it boot up. It's first time doing this, so let's see how it all turns out. Let's see how simple it is. So I'll remove the green one since I didn't see nothing happening. Let's put it back in. Okay, there. That's usually a message I get here and there. USB since it hasn't read it. Wait a few seconds. Let's put it back. There we go. It's doing something. So that's at 100. Please remove the USB stick to reboot. That's number 3, removed. Place it over here. And we got one more, number 4, which is our yellow one. That boot up initially was not smooth. So we'll wait a little bit. Here comes our number 4. I'm just gonna put it in now. And I'll wait a little bit. If it doesn't read within 5 seconds, I'll undo it and replace it. That's about 5 seconds. I'll remove it. It's our yellow one, our number 4. Put it back in. Let's see if it picks it up. There goes that message again. Give it a few more seconds. I was about to take it off and put it in, but it read. So here it's going from 0. Right now it's at 50, 100. Please remove the USB stick to reboot. It kind of tells you right there. And then on the bottom it says fix for 10-inch full AA screen developed by Team 10Ps. I'll remove it. So you could find these files online, but this guy Phil sends you the USB with the downloaded files already. He'll give you a step-by-step too with the video to watch. So for the amount he charges, in my opinion, it's worth it. And he's done quite a few, so if you have any questions, he's right there as support. So I think it's ready. Let's turn this on. And let's see. All right. I'm gonna connect my USB here. Just a wire. This is for my wired Google CarPlay. Let's see if it lets us record while we hook this up. Turn the AC. Moment of truth. And there it is. We have successfully installed it. That is way nicer. So with the Google CarPlay, you can do this to where it's like a satellite view. Not sure if it's the same with Apple, but I really like this view. And it worked just like that. There's my USBs. In the video, he troubleshoots a little bit, the one he sent me, but it looks like we don't really have to troubleshoot anything. It all worked out. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next one.